Alona fai koe rosu mo leoni, ma le duas ko mafitu. O se atu e sumilon tina. Ma le so wala faina e. What to do, Mike? Ona fetala atu lea o ia ilon tina. Se nai, pauta o la tama. O whape atu fo e o ia ilon so. Pauta o tina. Tabi fo I lei tu waso o ave o ia iso ilon na aina. E sa to loa skulu, alona fai koe suku ma loa. E awa lo te mamaro ki nā. Na ia whare wale mai o le afo ina mai e roma ro koe e tue.
Seven ways to love your mom. Book of John, chapter 19, verses 26 and 27. When Jesus saw his mother there, and the disciple whom he loved standing nearby, he said to her, "Woman, here is your son." And he said to the disciple, "Here is your mother." From that time on, the disciple took her into his home. Mary witnessed the crucifixion from the foot of the cross. Can you even imagine how she must feel as a mom seeing her son? Jesus turns to John and says, "Take care of her." Jesus looks at his mother and says, "Let John stand in my place as your son." Jesus is on the cross, bearing the weight of the sins of the world on his shoulders. Yet he sees to make sure his mom is taken care of after he is gone. As God, Jesus is dealing with eternal matters. But as a man, he is showing all of us that today, how important it is to take care and love our mothers. You cannot be intentionally wrong with your mom, but be right with God. If your mom is still alive, regardless of you and her age, you can love her in these 7 ways. The first way to love your mom is verbally. As men, we have the philosophy of, I don't have to say I love you. You already know it. Or I show love. I don't just say it. Good. That may be true, but mothers still need to hear the words, I love you.
Thank you. Number 2, love her physically. When was the last time you gave your mother a big hug without asking her for it? Or a kiss on the cheek? Or a neck rub? Or just sat on the couch and held her for a change? She wrapped herself in her room for months, and her priority was to hold and cuddle us. She stroked our head, rubbed our feet, and squeezed our little fat cheeks. Hugged her and gave her a kiss unexpectedly. These are the little things that mean the world to mothers.
Number 3, love her patiently. Mothers have an incredible job with no pay. No position in the business world compares to the physical, emotional, and spiritual commitment she has in motherhood. In spite of all she does for us, we often become impatient with her. We get so used to her taking care of things, we come to expect it. Because she's tender to your needs, there's no reason to take advantage of her. It's reason to be patient and love her all the more. Love her patiently.
Amen.
Number 4, love her attentively. Mothers listen as we pour out our hearts. She has a sympathetic ear, and always has. Even as an adult, we've gone to her when we want someone who will really listen and understand. She always will be on our side. We make our mothers believe us even when we know we're wrong. Why are mothers like this? Because mothers will always have that special love, soft spot for their child. But we need to stop this. Own up to our mistakes and do the honorable thing as our mothers taught us. Be honest. Remember, when our mothers get older, it is our turn to be her rock and take the time to listen.
Number 5, love her gratefully. In elementary science class, I've been studying matters and how mental objects are attracted to them. At the end of the semester, the teacher put out the exam this question. 6 letters that starts with the letter M.
It picks up things, what am I? Over half the children wrote mother. Mothers needs a sincere thank you, not just today, but from a genuinely thankful heart when least expected. Number 6, love her generously. There's nothing too good for her. We could never repay her, but we ought to try to die trying before she does. She didn't spend on herself unless all her needs were met. She could easily do without, and now it's time for her to have something she wants. She clears her schedule so she can run us around. She gives us opportunities so we can have more opportunities.
Number 7, love her honorably. We need to remember this commandment. Exodus 20, verse 12. Honor your father and mother, that your days may be long upon the land which the Lord your God is giving you. This is binding as long as our mothers live. Another command says, children, be obedient. If the husband is the head of the home, then the mother is the heart. Don't break her heart. Remember this. Honor your father and mother is the only one of the 10 commandments which includes a built-in promise of blessing. So we need to honor and be obedient if we want God's blessing or favors to continuously pour down on us. Amen. Amen.